Have you ever wondered why your paycheck feels smaller, even though your salary stayed the same? Well, the answer might be hiding behind those motivational posters and free pizza Fridays at your office. What I'm talking about is the sneaky way companies have figured out how to pay you less without actually cutting your wages. And it all comes down to something they love to call company culture. Now, before you think I'm just here to bash your workplace perks, let me be clear about what's really happening here. Companies have discovered that if they can convince you that work should be fun, meaningful, and basically your second home, then they can get away with paying you significantly less than what you're actually worth. Think about it for a second. When was the last time you heard a job posting that just said, "Here's the work, here's the pay, see you Monday"? Instead, every job listing reads like a dating profile, talking about their amazing culture, their ping pong tables, their flexible work environment, and how they're basically one big happy family. But here's the thing about families. They don't usually pay you market rate for your contributions. This whole culture obsession started when companies realized something brilliant from a profit perspective. If they could make work feel less like work, then employees would be willing to accept lower compensation packages. Why pay someone $80,000 when you can pay them $60,000 plus unlimited snacks and the privilege of working with passionate people who believe in the mission? The psychology behind this is actually pretty straightforward. When companies create an emotional connection between you and your job, you start valuing things that don't show up on your bank statement. Suddenly, that open office environment where you can barely concentrate becomes a collaborative workspace. Those mandatory team-building exercises become opportunities for personal growth. And working late becomes proof that you're dedicated to something bigger than yourself. Don't get me wrong, some workplace benefits genuinely improve your life, but many of these cultural perks are specifically designed to make you forget about the money you're not making. Free coffee might save you $5 a day, but it doesn't make up for the $10,000 you're missing from your annual salary. The real genius of this system is that it makes employees feel guilty for caring about money. If you're truly passionate about the company mission, shouldn't you be willing to sacrifice for the greater good? If you really value work-life balance, isn't a lower salary worth it for all these amazing cultural benefits? Here's the reality, though. Culture doesn't pay your rent, and passion doesn't fund your retirement. Companies have successfully convinced an entire generation of workers that caring about compensation makes you shallow, when in reality, fair pay is exactly what allows you to pursue your actual passions outside of work.